¿Qué pasa, everybody? So today I'm gonna work on the Impala. Sexy girl. So for today I'm gonna put body bushings on it, or the body mounts, because when I got this car, the guy separated the frame from the body and he cleaned up the frame, and I guess he just gave up or something on the project, because he just sat it down and just forgot about it. So when I picked it up, it didn't have no doors, no front end, no hood, no nothing bolted onto it. It was just separate. So it has no wiring, no fuel lines, no brake lines. The body is not bolted down to the frame. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So yeah. So I gotta take off the front inner fenders in order to be able to put those in right there. So I'm gonna do that real quick, take off the inner fenders and start working on it. Alright, so here's a body mount kit. There's a part number. Comes all the hardware. So yeah, let me get to it. Alright, so now we can get to those right there. So I'll check it out real quick, see what I have to do, and I'll get back to you guys. Alrighty, we're back. So I just got done doing this side. It's not easy. Especially you have to figure it out. No instructions. As you can see, that one's in. That one's in. So there's one right there. 2, 3. ¡Ay, panza! Ah. 4 right there. And then one right there. See it? Kinda, maybe, no. Right there. And then the other one is right there towards the end of the frame. Ay, wait. There you go. But the guy I bought this off of took the body off of the frame and he cleaned up the frame. It's just dirty. Cleaned it up, painted it. And then those are my floors right there. Looking clean all the way down. Bar's rusty, but I'm gonna buy a new panhard bar. New bolts, got new shocks. But yeah, it's all clean. Still has the factory undercoating. Alrighty. But I'm gonna do a couple on that side. I still haven't done that side. But anyway. So there's 2 different sizes. Alright. This one has a washer on top and on the bottom. Alright. And this one just has a washer on the bottom and not on top. ¿Eh? ¿Lenzo metió agua? Okay, baby. So what I was thinking on this one, it goes in there like that, recessed in. See? So you can't really see it. Or else the bolts won't reach. So for that one, and that one, I put this one right here in the frame, like that. And then you can see, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. That's this piece right here. So the frame goes right there in the middle, right? And then I put a little washer on top, right there, if you can see it. And then that goes right there. And I pulled the bolt from the bottom up. Oh. Oh, they're fighting over me. I love it. Alrighty, but yeah. So on this side, there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over there. And yeah. Let me throw myself on the other side and no. I'm gonna throw myself on the other side and show you guys how I'm doing it. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna try and put one on real quick. Anyway. So there's a hole. There's a bumper. And this is the setup we got. What's the meat? Oh shit. 2x4. Another one. And the jack. So here we go. Like that. So this one goes on top like that. Then we got this one on the bottom with the washer. Right there. Right there. Angle.
You gotta be almost to the edge on that
Right
side.
Alright, here we go. I got it. There we go. And just give it a little tight, not too much, because we still gotta do the rest. Oh, anyway. There you go. There it is. Now we gotta move and do this one right here. So I'll finish this up and I'll get back to you guys. Whew.
Yeah, I'm down to get some gazmiro.
We need to go get some propane.
Yeah, patakia.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do these two last front ones. These are the last ones I need to do. So here we go. Dale! So you just put it right there. Sas. Oh wait, no. Yeah. You get a bolt, nut, washer, bottom piece.
This is my shit, turn it up.
Anyway, throw your ass in the bottom. Ivan,
Yes, sir.
can you go down on the jack, please?
Yeah. Watch out for the sausage fingers.
Right there. Ahí, güey. A little more?
Yeah?
Yeah. That's it. And that's one. So get another bolt, washer, nut, and then get this bottom one. And on this one, the nut goes right there and it's recessed in, so you can't see it. Ay.
Yo quería métodos, pero no habían 18. Yeah.
Ow!
No te roches el zip tie.
Go down. Go, 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 go. Right there. Go down all the way now.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Y si no entra el tornillo, échale luz y entra todo como lo hacía.
So there it is. All of them in. Not too hard once you get the hang of it, but The kit does not come with instructions. They don't tell you which ones go on top, which ones go on bottom. So yeah.
That's yours, no?
Now I gotta go around and bolt them all up. Highway. Oh, chido. Fucking glare. So now I gotta go around, bolt them all up, and see what happens after that. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Come back.
Remember,
Check out the rest of the videos. Come on. Hit like, subscribe, share. Like me, love me. I los guacho.